Hi, this is part 24 of Auth0 tutorial. This is the last video. In this video, we are going to talk about Management API. If we search for Auth0 Management API and open it, you will see the documentation for Auth0 Management API. When you try to using Auth0 Management API, most of the time, you first need to get a Management API access token to get access to the list of endpoints. I will demonstrate how you can use Management API when you try to get a user from Auth0. First, I will create an application to access to Management API. I've already have a machine-to-machine application. I just need to grant it access to the Management API. I've already granted access to read users. So yeah, it's already set up. Now let's go to Postman. We just need to point to the URL and grant it content type, and then configure those bodies. The ID and secret is copied from the machine-to-machine application from here. And the audience we need to use Management API. And now we are all set. Let's send the request. We've successfully get access token. Now let's create a new request to search user. You can see the user's endpoint is this one. Copy my domain and the REST endpoint. Give it authorized. We can use query context. But for now, let's see what we can get. Because currently there's just one user in our tenant, so in the response, you can see there's just one user here, and this is my name. So yeah, let's demonstrate how we use Auth0 Management API. We just need to get access token and use it within our requests. Easy, right? So that's the end for the Auth0 tutorial. Thank you so much for spending your time with my tutorial. I hope it can help when you work with Auth0. Bye.